guys, it is Tuesday the 12th and my mom thinks I'm coming home on Friday the 15th, but I'm actually coming home to surprise her and I'm so excited. So come with me to surprise my mom and leave Costa Rica. Our first group of girls just left. It was two of the girls because one lives in Canada and one lives in Arizona. We're all flying to Utah. So they just left and we just had to say bye, which was so sad. It's so weird we're leaving as much as we all want to. It's so weird we're not gonna live together because we spent all of our time together for the past 4 months. So it's so weird. It's 5 in the morning and we're all bringing our bags down to go home. We had to throw our bags through the window. My bag's like 50 pounds. It's almost time to go home. And we're leaving. We have our bus loaded up. This is our house that we lived in for 4 months. We'll never see it again. Oh, I have the biggest zit on my chin right now. So awesome. Security. It was the easiest security I've ever gone through. And we got here at like 7 and our flight was supposed to take off at 10:30, but it just got delayed 2 hours, so we don't fly out till 12. So I'm sleeping on the ground. But the sun's shining in my face, so I'm not gonna be able to sleep. But when we get to Orlando, we have to get our check bags and take them through security again, so that's gonna suck. We made it on the plane. We're officially leaving Costa Rica. Yeah. America, here we come. I have never been so happy in my entire life.
Hi everyone. Rosie's being so loud right now. Hope you're all having a good day. I'm just about to go get the kids, starting the vlog a little later today because I'm tired. What's new? I was just laughing. I think that Rosie thinks every time she goes outside, when she comes back in, she's gonna get a treat. Have we been doing that more lately? I guess so, because she keeps standing, she'll stand by the door, and I know she doesn't need to go out because she just went out, but she'll stand there, she'll go out, and then seconds later she's scratching to come back in and immediately runs to her dish. And I did get something for her and she's been waiting patiently. Have some steak for Rosie. Do you want this? Come here. That was cute. You want that? Sit down. Sit. Sit. Do you know how to sit? She doesn't. Sit down. She's like, no, but I can jump on you. Do you want this? Do you want this, you cutie? She's so funny. She'll eat that and then she'll go stand by the door because she'll think that if I let her out when she comes back in, there will be more. So funny. Anyway, hope you're all having a good day. Like I said, I'm about to go get the kids and then today's a pretty chill day, so we'll be able to get a lot of things done that we need to get done, hopefully. Gall, who knows. And I need to find some command hooks so that I can actually finish getting my garland up. And I think that I'm not doing much more decorating for Christmas up here. I need to decorate downstairs, but I think this is gonna be it. I'm happy with it. Layla kept saying, let's go all out for Christmas this year. I was like, what does that mean? So we'll see if there's more decorating she wants to do, but I think that I'm good. I don't know. I do really like to add like twinkle lights through here, just all along the kitchen. So I'll probably do that also. it's just, I just think it's so like magical to have little twinkle lights all over for Christmas. And I did put some in my garland and in my garland that fell. So that will be sweet. And I'm excited for Layla to see that at night because she hasn't seen it yet. But yeah, Christmas is just so soon. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited. I love decorating, but I keep thinking I'm gonna have to take all of this down. And how much more do I want to take down? Not that much more, probably.
Game time.
Gage, do you feel so much better about life?
I don't know why, I just feel great.
To get a new SIM card, right?
Yeah.
Well, at least it was free. That's good.
Hey, buddy.
Did he say anything about it? Like why it was not working?
He said it was probably just damaged.
Oh. How was school today?
Boy!
Today was Christmas sweater day.
Break the shit, guys.
So cute.
Okay, these are usually lower. I'm not.
They are pretty short though.
No, they're not. They go
These
down to
ones
here.
are like extra short. No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
I was watching you walk.
No, you weren't.
I promise. I was like,
No.
does he have them shorter because it's like snowy and wet?
No, they
Layla!
they usually like go like right here. But
They
these
don't.
ones, for some reason, like they flare out and they're like.
You look cute.
But I
You look really
thrifted
cute.
this, thrifted this.
Gage only wears thrifted clothes.
I got these from Nike and got these from Vans. Just kidding. Ooh.
Gage, now you have to clean the whole car.
What?
Like, we did just recently clean the car and look at this.
I did.
No, you didn't.
No, you did not.
Dad
I did
did.
by myself.
Oh yeah, Layla did actually. And then Dad vacuumed it. Is vacuuming it right now. I would do it, and I could do it, but I'd rather not, so.
Mom, look at my
Happy
goatee.
Casey did. Your goatee. Oh, Dad looks very nice. Oh my gosh, okay. Let's go. Let's go home. Get buckled.
Hello.
That only works with helium. There's no helium in those balloons.
We landed in Florida like an hour ago and we got Chick-fil-A and there's Peyton. We're all waiting for our flight. It got delayed for 2 minutes, but still hopefully we'll get there at 11. We are officially on the plane to go to Utah. We land in like 5 hours. I'm so excited, but I'm gonna miss everybody. So sad. We're landing. We have 9 more minutes. This has felt like the longest flight in the entire world. But I'm so sad. We're all about to part ways. We haven't been apart for more than like 5 minutes in the past 4 months.
Doing Brailee's laundry.
Why did she do this when she left?
Why are you bringing both down at once?
Stop it.
Thank you. Cool.
Oh.
Listen, I have a garland right there that won't stay up, so don't step on it.
Okay, I'll just have Bella's basket over there.
I'll grab it. Stop.
Just kidding.
Holly, you're spilling.
Why am I not shining?
You're spilling laundry everywhere.
This is Layla's shirt, to be honest. Okay, definitely don't put that in.
We made it! We're so excited! Sarah made it too, don't worry.
What? I can't believe that Brailee pulled that off.